If you've been scrolling TikTok and feel like you can't grow because you don't dance, don't worry, you're not alone. In 2025, TikTok is more than just dancing trends, and there are plenty of ways to get noticed and grow your account without moving your feet. Today, I'm sharing actionable tips that actually work for creators who want to stay off the dance floor. The first key is content that provides value or emotion. Tutorials, tips, motivational messages, relatable stories, or mommy life moments all perform incredibly well. People love watching short clips that teach them something, make them laugh, or make them feel understood. You don't need choreography. You just need a hook that grabs attention in the first few seconds. Next, use storytelling and relatable content. Share a funny or touching experience from your day, a lesson you've learned, or a simple personal story. Videos that connect emotionally with viewers are highly shareable and often get more engagement than dance trends. Even a 15-second clip explaining what I wish I knew as a beginner can go viral if it's relatable. Trends still help, but you don't need to dance. Instead, jump on audio trends with your own twist. Use a trending sound to share a quote, a mini tutorial, a reaction, or even a motivational tip. The algorithm rewards creativity, not just copying a dance, so add your personality and make it authentic. Short, loopable videos are another tip. If your video naturally loops without viewers noticing, it increases watch time, which boosts TikTok's algorithm. Even a simple text-based motivational message or a quick tip can loop effectively and keep viewers engaged. Finally, post consistently and study your analytics. Notice which types of non-dance content get the most views and engagement, then create more of it. The more TikTok sees that people enjoy your style, the more it will recommend your videos to new viewers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more TikTok growth tips for 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.